Hello and welcome everyone, myself Vishal, and in today's video we are going to solve an interesting problem which is ransom note. It is a part of LeetCode May challenge, but you can also solve it on LeetCode generally. So let's understand that what is the problem and how we can approach to solve it. So firstly, let's understand the problem statement. So we have been given two strings. The name of one string is ransom note and the name of second string will be magazine, and we have to create the ransom note string using the letters of magazine string, and we have to check whether it is possible or not. Let's understand this in depth, that what the problem is trying to say. Suppose in here, let me create one text. Okay, so suppose we have been given a ransom note string as AA B A C, and our magazine string contains AA B B B B C Z, something like this. Okay, so we have to check whether using the letters of this magazine we can create this ransom note or not. So firstly we have to check, here is A and A is present here, so yes, we can use one A. After that here is another A, so we have to check whether another A is present in magazine or not. So yes, it is present in magazine, so we can create that. After that we have B, so B is also present in this magazine, and here we get another A, and another A is also present in this magazine, and here is C, and C is also present in this magazine. Order doesn't matters, the whole thing that matters, the number of counts. Means here in ransom note there are 3A and there are 1B only, and there are 1C. Okay, so we have to check whether the magazine contains 3 A's, means greater than or equals to 3 A's, 1B and 1C or not. So now let's try to solve it. How we can solve it? So in my approach I am using a lookup table, and I will tell you that what is that and how we can solve this problem. So firstly, understand that what is my approach. Let me show you. So in my approach, suppose there are two strings given as magazine and ransom note. Let's take something from sample test case, AAB and ransom note equals to AA. Okay, so in my approach, firstly I will iterate through the magazine string and take note of which characters are available in which quantity. Means we are basically going to create a frequency table. Okay, so A is present 2 times and B is present 1 times. Okay, also now what we will do, we will iterate through ransom note and we will check whether each and every letter is present in this magazine table or not. Okay, in this magazine or not. And also we will keep track of the count. Means whenever a character is encountered, we will decrease the value of that character from this table. Okay, so suppose firstly A is encountered. Okay, so after that the value will be A1 comma B1. Second time another A will be encountered, A0 B1. Now we have successfully iterated through the whole code, so we haven't got any error and all the letters can be taken from magazine string, so we will return true at this condition. But suppose what will happen if there will be another A. In that case we will look whether the value of count of that particular character in the table, in the frequency table, is greater than 0 or not. See here, the frequency of A is 0. Now we cannot take another A, means another A is not present in the magazine string, so here we will simply return false. So this is our whole technique. So now let's understand that what is lookup table. So firstly, the ASCII value of A is 65 and ASCII value of Z is 90. Also ASCII value of small a is 97 and ASCII value of small z is 122. Also the difference between 122 and 65 is 57. That means we are going we require total 58 spaces to store all the, means to represent all the characters which are capital or small in a table. So what I have done a simple mathematics. I am representing capital A using index 1. To represent capital A using index 1, what I have to do? ASCII value of capital A is 65. So I have decreased it by 64, and when I will decrease it by 64, I can get means I can represent A by using index 1. So as I have decreased 64 from the first index, I have to decrease 64 from all index, and we can get relative positions of each character using this indexing. Means 60 let's see, 65 is the ASCII value of A, and its relative position in this lookup table is 1, because 65 minus 64 equals to 1. Similarly for capital B, the value is here it will be 66. Sorry, I have written 65. Here ASCII value of B is 66, and 66 minus 64 equals to 2. So we can represent B by index 2. Similarly for C, index 3. Similarly for Y, ASCII value is 89. So we can represent Y using index 89 minus 64, that is 25th index. Similarly for Z, we can use 26th index. And for small a, the ASCII value is 97, and 97 minus 64 equals to 33. So I can represent a small a by 33rd index. So this is going to take a linear space and linear time, because the size of this lookup table is absolutely constant. The size will not increase 64. Means basically I am using a lookup table of size 64. Also the time which will be taken for iterating through it is also linear. Okay, and it will be constant because it has a fixed number. Okay, so we have got the relative positions of each and every character. Now what we will do, we will basically go iterate through each character in magazine string and increase the counter whenever we encounter a character. Means suppose what I have created, I have created one lookup array of size 64. Now I am iterating through second string, because here the size is n, and see int n equals to magazine dot length. So I am iterating through second string, and now I am checking, I am checking that whether its value is 0 or not. If its value is 0, then I will increase the value by 1, and then we will simply increase the counter value of that particular position by 1 whenever we will encounter that character. For example, lookup of magazine char at I. Suppose the magazine char means character at ith position will be A. So what will be its equivalent ASCII value? Bracket int magazine dot caret will give the ASCII value of corresponding character. So what will be the corresponding ASCII value of capital A? It will be 65. Then 65 minus 64 equals to basically 1, and here we can see that the index 1 is representing A, and we will increase this counter value to 1. So this is what we are doing here. After that we can basically increment. You can also do this directly here, but I have used the condition equals to 0 just to check whether its initial value is 0 or not. Okay, now once we have done to it, we have frequency of all the available characters in magazine array, in magazine string. Okay, after that now we will iterate through the random note string, and we will check whether we can use letter from magazine string or not. So what we are doing, basically we are firstly checking in lookup table whether the character is present or not. If its value is less than equals to 0, it means it is not present, and then we will suddenly return false. Otherwise, if its value, if it has some value, means it has some value 1, 2, etc., means it is present in a magazine array, and now we will use that and decrease the counter in of that character in magazine array by 1. So this was the whole concept and how we can solve it. I will upload the whole code in my GitHub repo, and I will also give the link in the description. Hope you like this solution, and let me show you the time complexity. The time complexity for this will be big O of m plus n, and our submission is better than 70% of the submission, so it is a very good thing. Now hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe and share this video, and please don't forget to click on the notification icon. Thank you. Bye.